Are you looking for the best yoga swings? In this video we will look at some of the best yoga swings on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Women Aerial Yoga Hammock Pilates Anti-Gravity Swing. Easy to carry. You can enjoy yoga anytime, anywhere in the gym, yoga room, home. The product adopts high-density knitting technology, which is breathable and soft, which can bear the pressure of body weight to the greatest extent. The adjustable strap design can adjust any height and angle according to your needs, suitable for different heights and usage requirements of various people. The door anchor design makes our products easy to hang and safe. Number 2. Aerial Yoga Swing. Mifxn Yoga Swing Trapeze is made of professional high-quality parachute fabric material, strong slings, stainless steel hooks and hanging plate. Very heavy duty and durable. Large load capacity, can withstand up to 200 kg/440 pounds. Safe to use. Equipped with durable carabiners and high-strength daisy chain, increases its stability and ensures that you can use it more assured. It is suitable for both adults, women and men gym home fitness. Sling hammock inversion is equipped with 3 different length handles, which can help you find the exercise height suitable for yourself. Also, the handle material is EAV, a new environmentally friendly material with good buffer effect. Large and comfortable thick padded foam handles and a spacious triple-stitched swing seat, pushing the boundaries of comfort during any aerial yoga swing exercise. Aerial yoga swing set includes 1x yoga hammock, 4x stainless steel lock, 2x stainless steel hanging plate, 8x stainless steel bolts, 2x extension bands, all necessary parts and very easy to install. The mount can be installed in just minutes. Also, this aerial yoga hammock comes with a storage bag. You can store in it after you finish using it. Convenient storage and easy to install and disassemble. Number 3. Aerial Fitness Pilates Silk Fabric Yoga Swing. Reduced back pain and soreness in the muscles. Healthier digestive and lymphatic systems. Increased relaxation and improved mood. Anti-aging, due to the counter-gravitational effects on the body. Improved flexibility, higher levels of energy, increased focus, decompression of the joints and spinal discs, cardiovascular improvement, increased muscular strength, improved blood circulation. Aerial yoga, yoga swing, yoga sling, aerial dance, aerial fitness, air yoga, aerial hammock, anti-gravity yoga, suspension yoga, gravity yoga, anti-gravity yoga, flying yoga, aerial pilates. Number 4. Adjustable Aerial Yoga Strap Hammock Swing. The belts are thickened and encrypted, and the stitches are also thick and wavy lines, so the bearing capacity can be assured. Our yoga hammock strap is made of premium polyester cotton fabric. Create comfort touch feeling. Multi-layer premium material straps are strong enough with 660 pounds load capacity and provides you more safety and stability on it. Multi-layer closely woven strap design. It can be adjusted to any various heights that you need, or any angles that help you to achieve your posture. Door anchor design makes our hammock easy to hang. Great for practicing back bends, splits, inversions, stretching and more postures, improving core and upper body functions and full body strength. Number 5. Yoga Strap for Stretching. Door flexibility and stretching. Leg strap increase your flexibility and stretch yourself easier and safer. The stretch strap, easily to use and with soft cushions, takes care of your waist, hands and feet. Allows you to improve your stretching or yoga skills and makes you feel and look younger compared with traditional stretch strap, which is just a very narrow and thin band. Ours had made a great improvement on the design. In the middle part of it we used the same widened and soft fabric with the yoga swing. On both sides we used length adjustable straps. The skin-friendly fabric material will give your body more support and protect your waist and back from hurt. The material is sturdy and it have a large load-bearing capacity. This backbend stretcher is made of premium nylon fabric, which is soft to touch and sturdy. The material is skin-friendly and hypoallergenic, and it's easy to clean. The adjustable strap length is 160 centimeters, The size of the fabric is 150 centimeters by 100 centimeters. Gives you plenty room to play. Anyone who wants to exercise can use it. It has no age limitations. Women, men, teens, girls, seniors, use it for postnatal recovery or fat burning and body shape. You can also send it to your friends or family members as a gift.